everybody, welcome to another installment of the Tech AI Task Force. I'm with Lindsay and Lisa, and we are going to be bringing out another product for you guys. It's called Blonde Waterfall. Lindsay, go ahead and describe to us what it is and what we can do with it.
Yep, so Blonde Waterfall is an AI product. So it basically, when you have your listing photos back, you go in and it's as simple as you just click on your drop-down box, you add your still photos, and what they do is they actually mimic, it's almost like a videographer is in the house and doing a video while they're there. It is wild what AI can do. It basically will just take your photos and create a video for you, and there's different options. So there's 3 different options. One's a $99 option, one's a $149, and the other one is a $349. It's all about what you want to customize it, and it will do horizontal, it will do vertical, it will add voiceover if you want to. The one that we tested the other day at my house was the middle version, the 149, and it created a great video for us.
That's awesome. Yeah, it looks great. Lisa, what are some of the negatives that we discovered when we were doing them?
I think first and foremost, it comes down to the quality of the photos that you are downloading to the site. So the better quality photo, the better quality video you get. And with that being said, we got the video back and it was like, you've done 3, she's done 1, and they're all different. So it has to do with I think the video quality and who's behind the scenes moving it. I think my negative feedback would be it was way too slow.
Yep.
It was like slow walking through the property. So Lynn's reached out, got that fixed, got it back 24 hours later, still a little too slow, so she sped it up on her end. But I think with their awesome customer service, if you give them the feedback, they'll fix it to the way you need it.
And this is a really, really cool AI tool. So what did the task force do for the Grower membership, guys? What did you guys do?
So we negotiated on behalf of all of the members here. So we are providing you with a 20% discount, which is great. So anytime you do the videos, you type in the promo code for being a Grower member, you'll get 20% off. And what I have to say is when we did the video, I forgot to actually add the discount. I emailed them back right away. They refunded me the 20%, but everything does take 24 hours. So like Lisa said, if you want a revision, I asked for them to speed up the video. It did take 24 hours to get the video back again. So just make sure you're planning when you're doing your listings, but outside of that, it's a great feature and we're so excited to bring it to you.
Yeah, discount is GRAR, but we're also gonna have it in the comments below so you guys can have that. Another awesome thing, we're gonna keep doing it. Any other comments you guys have?
Try it out, see if you like it. Give us feedback.
We would love feedback. And you will also see a video of just showing how easy it is that will also be attached.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.